Today, I just want to share this short clip of some of my hooping journey for around the first 6 months to a year of my practice. I had an injury in between that kind of held me up a little while with practicing, but once that was healed, I went right back to it. Hoop dance has been such a gift to myself that I never knew that I needed. I was hooked from the moment I first saw someone hooping while at the park with a friend, and I wanted to learn. I didn't start, however, until about 3+ years later, though. A lot of things came up, and I put it to the wayside. I was also very camera shy, but recording myself learning this skill has helped a lot to help me become less camera shy. It has brought me so much awareness and patience and acceptance with myself, my body, my abilities, and those around me. Hooping has helped me to reconnect with myself in ways I didn't realize I had lost connection, and has helped me tune deeper into my creative side in so many ways as well. I am continuously inspired by this journey every day and learn new things about myself on so many levels. It has been great exercise, stress relief, a mood booster that raises self-confidence, skill, mind and body connection, and also lifts depression. It encourages the release of endorphins, the feel-good hormones. Hooping has helped me grow not only in skill, but also in spirit. I have such a newfound understanding of myself through this process. And upon reflection, I am so very glad that I started. I was not good at first. I was terrible, actually. But I didn't give up. I pushed and pushed. And now I look back at these clips and remember my frustrations when I couldn't do something that I can do now. It just took time, patience, determination, lots of practice, and a will to succeed. I also noticed I was being overcritical of myself in many ways, as we all can be. We can definitely be our own worst critic. In this, I am learning to be more gentle with myself. There are still things I can't do, but I know that in time, I will learn to do those things too. We aren't perfect. We make mistakes, but we learn and grow from those mistakes. It is part of the process of life. And it's okay if you mess up a little. We all do. Life is stressful and can be very difficult at times. We get so caught up in day-to-day life that we forget to savor the little things that bring us joy and contentment. I encourage you to step out of the hustle and bustle of modern life and relax for a moment doing something that brings you joy and peace. Thank you so much for being a part of my journey. There's so much more to come. Love always.